Most small YouTubers, they struggle for months to hit 1,000 subscribers. But what if I told you that there's a way to do it fast? You can get it in 24 hours. You can get it in a week. These are real strategies that work. These are real subscribers and it works. In this video, I'm going to be breaking it down for you step by step. If you're tired of posting videos and seeing no growth, then this video is for you. Let's get right into it. First of all, I'm going to tell you the short and fastest way to get 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours is to run promotions. Okay, so if you're interested in running promotions with me, let me know by sending me an email to stephaniemikeworks@gmail.com and we'll get you 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours. These are real subscribers, real followers, real accounts, no bots, and there's real engagement on your videos. So if you're interested in that, send an email to the email on your screen. Now let's dive right into this particular video on how to get 1,000 subscribers fast the organic way. Firstly, I'm going to tell you why 1,000 subscribers matters. For people that even are wondering, why must I get 1,000 subscribers? Let me tell you why it matters. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers, YouTube starts taking your channel serious. YouTube starts taking you as a creator serious. You get monetization access, you get community posts and more algorithm push. And what this means for you is that you have more exposure in search and suggested videos. You have the ability to start earning from ads and also a more engaged, loyal audience. This is why 1K subscribers is very important to your channel. Now, moving on to the 1K subscribers growth formula. The first step is to find your winning content formula. And what I mean by this is to identify trending topics in your niche. You can use YouTube search, you can use Google Trends, you can use TubeBuddy, vidIQ, the YouTube inspiration, whatever you need to use. Just find out the winning, trending topics in your niche at the moment of you wanting to film a video. Then you make series based on that content. Series help to keep, viewers hooked because, they look forward to the next one. They look forward to the next one. It's like make binge-worthy series based on that content, that research that you've done. For example, you could do a YouTube growth challenge series. People want to grow on YouTube. You could do a growth challenge series. This will help you. I'm talking about YouTube growth because this is my niche, but you can apply this to your own very niche on here on YouTube, okay? Step 2 is to hook viewers with a viral worthy title and thumbnail. Use curiosity-driven titles like I tried Mr. Beast's growth strategy. Here's what happened. Your thumbnail design needs to be eye-catchy thumbnails with the best text, emotion-based expression, like test out different styles to see what gets most click and then make that your signature YouTube. If you come to my YouTube channel, if you even see my YouTube thumbnail anywhere else without even seeing the channel name, you already know it's my thumbnail. You already know it's me. My thumbnail is unique to me and it's the same thing. It's consistent. So find out your style and make it consistent to your own channel. And if you would like a one-on-one coaching on how to, do your thumbnails, how to get your titling, I also offer that package. Send an email to the email on your screen, stephaniemikeworks@gmail.com. Let me know the package you want. If it's promotion package or if it's one-on-one coaching, just let me know and we'll handle it. Okay. So step 3 now is to master high retention content. Cut out the long story, the long talk. Just get to the point fast. No need for the whole introduction. People already know your name. They know your channel name. They know what your channel is about. That's why they clicked your video. So you don't need to ramble too much. Get straight to the point and use storytelling to keep your viewers engaged. Master the act of storytelling. Know how to make a story or your content flow in a way that, people are engaged, people are listening, they want to get to the end, that kind of stuff. Master the act of storytelling and also keep your videos high energy and fast paced. You can use jump cuts like in your visuals just to keep it high energy, fast paced, whatever works for you that makes your video look very interesting and not just your energy cannot just be like this. You cannot be making videos and be talking no, give the people the energy they need because you are trying to motivate them. You're trying to pump them up. So your energy can't be low. Now, step 4 is to leverage the power of playlist and end screen. I've said this in multiple videos. Make use of your playlist, make use of your end screen. You need to create binge-worthy playlists to increase your watch hour. Also link related videos in end screen to keep your viewers on your channel. I always say this all the time. I even always I tell you guys, I'll link related videos in the cards to watch for you guys to go watch those videos. Those are also things you can use, strategy you can use to keep your viewers watching. For example, if one video is about, how to get views, the next video should be how to get subscribers, stuff like that. Make it a series, make it binge worthy. Step 5 is to promote like a boss. And that is where I come in for you. If you want my help to get your promotions really fast and affordable, promote like a boss. You could share your videos in Facebook groups, Reddit, Discord, those kind of stuff. Or you use Instagram Reel and TikTok to drive traffic back to your channel. Also, comment strategically on trending videos in your niche to attract viewers. Go to big YouTubers in your niche. They are trending videos. Go there and comment valuable comment. Don't just comment follow for follow, sub for sub. No, comment something valuable, something interesting that will trigger people to check out your channel. They'll get there, they'll see your content, they follow you, stuff like that. And the last step is to engage and build a community. This is really this is a no-brainer. You need to engage, you need to reply to every comment. YouTube rewards engagement here on YouTube. Ask questions in your videos so that there's an engagement, there's comments happening, people replying comments or answering your questions. It encourages interaction. And also shout out to loyal subscribers to build loyal audience. Just shout out to them. You see some people that are very consistent in showing you love in your comments. They're always in every video, liking, supporting. Give them a loyal shout out, okay? So now you have the formula to hit 1,000 subscribers fast, the organic way, and also the fast way. Like I told you, send an email. stephanieMikeworks@gmail.com. So let me know the route you're going with, but this video will definitely help you whichever route you choose to take. If you want more videos like this, more content like this, please do not hesitate to subscribe to the channel, because that is what I give my community members here. Valuable content that helps their channel growth, that helps their content creation life. And also share this video to somebody that you feel will need this video to help them get to 1K subscribers so fast. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.